Hi again. In this video, I'm going to present you the employee per year tab from this penalty point system tracker. So after presenting you the settings tab and the penalty points control, which is the dashboard of this, and it is your controls center control, you have the employee per year tab. If you ever feel the need to to preview a full history of all the points allocated for any specific employee and for any specific year, this is the place where you have to go. So basically all you have to do is just to select the year, select the employee, and everything is highlight and everything is displayed automatically. All this is automatically calculated, it is automatically displayed, and you don't have to do basically anything. In this preview, like the system is set up, we have the fiscal year as in the settings. As you see here, February 1st current year 2025 and January 31 2026, where this is coming 2026 and 2025 and 2026, from where the system does know to take the year. Well, this is taking the year from here. If I want to see fiscal year 2025 fiscal year, I have 2025 year here selected, and the calendar is updated automatically, meaning it will start from February 1st up to 31 January 31 2026. If I am changing the fiscal year, I want to see the fiscal year 2026, you will see that now everything is updated to 2026 and 2027, and also in the settings you'll see the entire tracker and all the calculations and everything is related to 2026 2027. So your year, fiscal year to say so, you will control it from the employee per year tab. You define here, selecting your year here, everything in the system will be automatically updated to this fiscal year, and it is doing this because all the calculations are precisely presented to you based on the year you select here. Okay, so once you select here, the system recalculates everything and showing you everything based on the year selected here, the employee, and the fiscal year you select here. So for example, if I want to see and show you how the fiscal year is changing and updating all the metrics and the calendar, let's go to February and change, as most of the cases, 1st July to June. It's taking a bit because, as I told you, everything is calculated, not too much time. And as you see here, now the system is showing you everything updated, and the calendar has completely updated from June 1st July to June 2026. There are no penalty, just this February we have used previously in the penalty points control. So the system and the calendar is everything updated. All you have to do is just to select your fiscal year, select the year from here and the employee, and everything is presenting you nicely. What you have here, you have the employees detail with any infraction suggestions if this employee reach any thresholds from your disciplinary actions. So let me switch it back to February because I don't have too many dummy data recorded to calculate, and here we go back to the February to January fiscal year. So let's switch this employee for Jessica Smith, and you see no disciplinary actions for Jessica Smith. Currently no disciplinary actions recommended, no new disciplinary actions. You have a current action, terminal advisory notice, the date when this disciplinary actions has been applied, and the status of this employee. You have a breakdown for all the points, for all time points. So Jessica Smith for the entire system had 11 points allocated, 1 point expired because of the system rollover. You have points for the currencies for the current rollover interval, 10 points, and points allocated since the last action expired, but since the last action was applied, but no points allocated since then. You have here an option show all points, but I can show it. Oh, it is here one. When I click show all, the system, it will show you all the points, all the infractions, whatever it is in the current fiscal year or not, but it will not affect the calculations, because the system will calculate only the infractions that are within the rollover interval. If you want to see the full and the complete history, you just click here show all, and it will show you all infractions, including the ones that are not within the current rollover interval, meaning the fiscal year in this case. Like you see here, this HP, which is holiday pay infraction. I don't know what type of infraction is this, but again, this is just dummy data. You have also the points breakdown for every infraction type, and you have here general warning section. This is the warning section per employee. Let me select another employee, maybe let me see which one exactly. James Anderson. If I am selecting James Anderson, you will see that the system is warning you have new recommended action for James Anderson, and the action recommended is documented verbal. So you should go in your disciplinary actions and log in this disciplinary action like documented verbal for this employee. So this section is for the employee, where the system is notifying you that you have to take an action against this employee, and this is the general actions where the system is notifying you that there are actions recommended against any of your employee, but not only to this employee. So you may have nothing here, but you have warnings here, notifications that you have to apply disciplinary actions to another employee. So let's go to Jessica Smith, for example. The system is telling us no disciplinary actions are recommended for Jessica Smith, but you still have this warning here that you have others employee and you have to log in disciplinary actions against them. But I'll get to this disciplinary actions tab in the next video. Thank you. See you in the next video with the disciplinary actions tab. Have a good day.